Hey, this is Charles from AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. Hey, so in this video, I want to talk to you about how to start a small pressure washing business. All right, maybe a side hustle, but I have a lawn care business, and a lot of our customers kept on asking us, "Hey, do you pressure wash our house?" I'm like, "No, I'm sorry, we don't do pressure washing." So after a couple customers requesting pressure washing services, I started getting into it. Had a good buddy of mine from work. He told me his his pressure washer because he had like a little side hustle and he wanted to get a bigger pressure washer. He upgraded it. He upgraded to a 8 gallon per minute. So he sold me his 4 gallon per minute. But with the 4 gallon per minute, you could do a lot with the 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. And that's what I recommend. If you want to start off with pressure washing, get a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. All right, it'll definitely get up those high peaks on the, if there's a 2-story house, right? It's not about the PSI, it's about the gallon per minute. So 4 gallon per minute, it's ideal, it's good, and everybody else will tell you the same thing like I'm telling you. If you want to start off a small pressure washing business or a side hustle, get a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. All right, so the pressure is not going to clean the house when you're using a pressure washer. What's going to clean the house is the chemical. And what chemical I use is called sodium hypochlorite. Basically, it's the main ingredient in bleach. All right, that's what you downstream the house with is sodium hypochlorite, basically bleach, okay? So you don't want to just get like a regular bleach because you have to look on the bottle. If we're downstreaming anything under than 10% sodium hypochlorite, the ingredient on the bottle, it's going to be too weak. So a good bleach to buy is on Pool Essentials, the pool that cleans pools. You can find it at Home Depot, at Lowe's, or Walmart. If you look on the bottle, it's going to say sodium hypochlorite, 10%. That's what you want to downstream. So technically, you're not putting 10% on the house. You're putting like about a 1.2%. Because after it gets diluted with water from downstreaming and it comes out the gun, it's going to be about 1.2%. Okay? So downstreaming is how I wash houses, okay? I don't call it, I use a pressure washer, but I say house wash or soft wash. Why? Because pressure washing isn't gonna clean the house. What's gonna clean the house is the sodium hypochlorite. That's the main ingredient that you put on the house. Let it do it for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off, y'all. And then you're gonna see an awesome difference, okay? The house is gonna be real clean and the customer is gonna be real happy. So if you want to start off a pressure washing side hustle, a small pressure washing business, I highly recommend get a 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, get a downstream injector, and keep your distance when you're laying the chemical or sodium hypochlorite on the house, okay? Don't get too close, you know what I mean? And apply pressure, because if you apply pressure to the house, you could damage property. All right, so the proper way, y'all, is soft washing, and that's keeping your distance from the house with the pressure washer, and let that chemical softly get on the house. Let it do it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. And so if you want to add pressure washing or soft washing to your side hustle or business, I hope this helps. At all times, never quit or give up. And please like and subscribe, and God bless.